Hello, in front of me I've got Nubia Red Magic 6R. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and as you can see right here we've got all settings for your display. Let's start from the top of the list, where you can change brightness level of the display manually or via automatic brightness. Next, you can change screen refresh rate between 60 Hz and 144 Hz, and enable or disable show refresh rate in status bar. Next, you can adjust screen display preferences between normal mode, vivid mode and natural mode. Also, you can change color temperature between customize, cool, warm and default. Next, you can enable or disable night light, change its intensity and schedule it. Then, you can enable or disable dark mode and also schedule it. Next, you can enable or disable low brightness flash protection, change font size, manage up full screen, and change automatic screen out between 15 seconds and 10 minutes. Next, you can enable or disable auto rotate screen, and in the end, enable or disable display order reverse. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.